Hi guys, I'm Asnith, and today I am going to be bringing you another raw food recipe. All right, so actually I'm going to make this a series, a coleslaw prep series. All right, because in the last video, I demonstrated how to make raw vegan mayonnaise. And in this video, I'm going to demonstrate how to take that mayonnaise and mix it into the coleslaw that I'm blending today and make it taste really good as coleslaw. All right, so before I go any further, I wanted to give credit to where it's due. This recipe came from Hallelujah Diet. But as I say in all my videos, the way you season is up to you, just like it's up to me. You take it and make it your own. So let's just go. I want to show you how easy this is to make. The first thing you're going to need is about 5 cups of cabbage, 1 cup of carrots, okay? The next thing you're going to need is 1 apple. You're going to cut that apple up. And then you're going to need half a cup of celery. And then about 2 tablespoons of parsley. You're also going to need some dill and some salt and the mayonnaise. All right, so with the mayonnaise, the first thing you're going to need is 2 cups of mayonnaise. And you could measure that out, but I don't feel like it. But for you, measure out 2 cups of mayonnaise. I'm just going to rake it into here. And one thing I wish I did was like just let this sit out a little longer. It's like after I made it, I knew I was doing another video. So I just kind of, put it away so that, I put it in the fridge so that it wouldn't get, too much. You got me? So actually, this would be a little easier to mix with hands. But while I'm doing this, actually I'm just going to go ahead and dump the rest of the ingredients into there. I got the mayonnaise. I don't know why I was doing it separately. You really can just dump the rest of the ingredients into there. And I'm going to remove my rings so that I could just hurry up. Okay. So with the dill wheat, did I say that you guys would need dill wheat? So actually, I'm sorry, it's dill seeds, but I'm supplementing with dill wheat. All right, so actually you'll need half a teaspoon of that. And with the salt, you're going to salt to taste. Oops, wrong one. You're going to salt to taste. And if you want, you can add a little pepper to this. You can do up to, for this recipe, they had it up to a quarter seasoning of salt, okay? Also, you can use red pepper to season yours, okay? If you like. I actually do like red pepper. And I showed you in one of my videos previously how I take the seeds and blend them up and then add it into there. I think when I did the video for the mushrooms with the seasoning. But I just want to show you. So now I have all this in, and I'm going to mix it with my hands, guys. I just do kind of like that. Make sure you wash your hands first. But I just like to make sure that the seasoning gets into everything. Everything. And I really like the feeling of it. It's like so gucky and just feels good. If you have kids, this is something that they would so enjoy. My guys are much older, so I couldn't call them out to do this. So right now I'm going to taste it because I just salted it to taste. And I am going to, I may just have to rinse my hands quickly, guys. Hey. Sorry, one moment. All right. So for me, I like it exactly how it is. I do not like my coleslaw too sweet. Then I also don't like it I like it seasoned, but not too seasoned when it comes to coleslaw. But this is totally up to you how you do it. I just wanted to show you my coleslaw. Look how good that looks, guys. Look how good that looks. All right. I did make a mess there, but you get the gist. If you would add anything, let me know. If you would change anything, let me know. Until next time, have a great taste.